In this quick tutorial, we'll change the routing preference of a duct from standard to beveled to better suit our project needs. We start with two ducts of different sizes connected. This setup allows us to model and take off the ducts efficiently. Now let's try modeling with the default standard takeoff. To change the routing preferences, first select the duct, then click Edit Type and access the routing preferences to modify the duct fittings. Here we change the elbow type from the default to beveled, ensuring a different fit and appearance for the duct connection. Now as we model the ducts with the new preference, notice the takeoff fittings automatically adapt to the beveled style, providing a cleaner, more realistic connection. Changing the routing preference to beveled updates the fittings accordingly, giving you precise control over duct appearance and connections. Use this method to customize your duct routing efficiently.